Beloved warrior of light, stop scrolling. Close your eyes for just 10 seconds. Can you feel that vibration in your chest? That's me, Archangel Michael, calling your soul right now. Because this message is not just to inspire you, it's here to rebuild you from the ashes. Beloved warrior, I stand before you now, wings blazing with celestial fire. The storm around you isn't your destruction, it's your transformation. When everything falls apart, I don't come with empty comfort. I come to forge you into unbreakable steel. Yes, I see the plans that crumbled, the doors that slammed shut, the tears that burned your eyes. But listen to me, child of light. That collapse is not your ending. It is your initiation into divine power. Every broken dream hides a blueprint from heaven, and my sword of truth cuts through your chaos to reveal it. You thought you were losing everything, but I was actually rebuilding you for something greater. Now, drop to your knees, not in defeat, but in sacred surrender. Whisper these words, Michael, build me strong. Feel my legion flood your soul, sealing every wound with liquid gold. Your aura is being rewired, your heart expanded, your mind cleared from every lie that said, you are alone. Now breathe with me, inhale my strength, exhale the weight you were never meant to carry. Now repeat after me, beloved Michael, wrap me in your shield of protection, ignite my inner flame, dissolve all illusions that bind me. I choose faith over fear, love over loss, and divine order over chaos. This prayer is alive. It is rewriting your destiny. When the bank account empties, manna will fall. When the diagnosis shakes you, miracles will appear. When betrayal cuts deep, forgiveness will free your soul. Every trial is a training ground, every tear a baptism, every closed door, a redirection to your divine palace. You are not falling apart, you are falling into place. The old must crumble, so the palace of your true purpose can rise. I, Michael, the architect, the builder, the guardian, stand beside you now. Behind me, millions of angels chant your name in victory. Now rise, warrior, wipe your tears, square your shoulders, and declare with me, I am held, I am guided, I am becoming the unbreakable light I was born to be. The darkness trembles, because you are remembering who you truly are. Keep this fire alive. Watch mountains move, watch deserts bloom, watch dead dreams resurrect in color and glory. I am with you, closer than your breath, stronger than your strongest storm. You are my masterpiece in progress, and I never abandon my work. Now type below, Michael, I receive your strength. Share this message with one soul who needs light today. Subscribe and stay connected, because every week I bring fresh fire from heaven. Together we rise, together we shine, together we conquer. This is Archangel Michael, signing off, but never leaving your side.